We're gonna take Sean's headers off because he's been lazy and just won't do it.
Now remember, this car is for sale.
Oh yeah, this car is for sale, and if I do any harm to it, that doesn't matter because I'm a trained professional. I know what I'm doing. Little B20, and he got little factory nasties, and it's in a box somewhere. You guys said a PLM. Do you know what size headers they are? Not even sure, but they're just PLM headers, so gonna start it now. First off, heat shield's gonna come off. That's out now. Crusties. It's a little speed bump, and I'm gonna show you guys what issue I just ran into. So the previous owner, they put an exhaust on it. They did like a factory replacement, whatever you wanna call it. I'm looking at that, and I'm like, oh, okay, where's the bolts? It's welded on. So, I can't just take it off. We're gonna drop the exhaust, and then we're gonna cut it. And I think we're gonna have Angelo, I think he can do it, I think he's capable of doing it. We're gonna have Angelo weld a flange on and put it back on. Other than that, and whoever put that half back on didn't do a great job. It's kind of sideways and it's not even in all the way. Yay. Wait, it's not connected, it's cut. Let's go disconnect the O2 and there's nothing. Banzai! And we're out. Sweet. John, where are the new ones? Cleaning stuff up. I'm gonna get a razor in a second. Get all the excess gunk off of there. But I'm just mocking them up right now, but ooh, it's a little close to the radiator and the fan. I'm not too sure. I think they're gonna sit more like, they're gonna sit like that. So it's still a little close. But we got some room to play, I think. So they're on, gaskets on, all the bolts are on. Just when I took them off, that one wasn't even there. So I gotta go see if we have something that'll fit, but probably should have checked the thread pitch on that first. Shit. Might be this. No way. Look at that, first try. Spice. We have the Evo, everyone knows the Evo 8 we got. It hasn't started in, God, since the end or beginning of December. I mean, if you guys know this Evo, below 50 degrees it does not like to start. And right now it's like 30 degrees out and snowing. Got a new battery for it and we're gonna give it a shot and see if it'll start up. Fingers crossed, we're not sure if it's gonna work, but. 1, 2. Okay, God, I'm slow. I mean, you just want to start it over here, or we want to like actually get it outside and start it?
You want to leave it right here just in case?
Okay. Oh. No. Look at that. It's like first grade. Hell yeah. She's alive. She's alive. She made it. Sean is on a forged carbon kick. So, mirror caps can be sent out, forged carbon. These, sent out, forged carbon. That, sent out, Forged Karbon. Rear seat delete, Forged Karbon. Oh, and his new seats, the back of them. Forged Karbon. How can you not like this car?
2 days later. Spring
is almost here. It is beautiful out. It's like 55 degrees. It's like March 15th, 16th, 15th. You see what I was working on downstairs. Yo, Hinge, where'd you get that shirt, bro?
Bro, this shirt? KarbonKings.com. Merch tag. Yeah, if you guys don't have this shirt, fuck you, you're
Angela and I were just talking about how the brand new 2022 WRX STI is not coming out now. It's gonna be an electric EV model. We were talking about when we're older, what electric cars are gonna be then, because we like stuff with loud bangs, two-step and boom,
Dude,
boom,
and
and
the nuclear reactor noises. Yep. Yeah.
What do you think cars will be in 30 years? Comment below. We want to see what you guys say. Get active in the comments. Whether if you think Angela's beard needs to get longer or trimmed, about the split down the middle, or if you guys want to talk about electrical cars, or how my Corvette's not done yet, or how Sean refuses to put money in the Evo,
Or how my Dots is still sitting there.
or how his Datsun's still sitting there. Just go comment down below. Tell him what to do, Ange. Tell him what to do. Tell him.
Like, comment, share. We're trying to get more views. You guys are great, but could be greater. Help us, please.
If you're watching right now, make sure you smash that like button. Smash the subscribe button. Post notifications on. It's that little bell looking thing right there. And comment down below whether it's about his beard, his tattoos, his electrical cars, or anything you want. Comment. Haven't filmed much of the old WRX over here. They're getting the trunk pretty done.
Almost by the end of the day.
Almost by the end of the day.
We're just waiting on the tank to get powder coated.
I haven't showed you guys much of this car. The rest of this video might be a lot of this car. I don't know how we're gonna, we might do Evo things. I don't know, but this car's getting bagged. This is Mike, right? His name's Mike. This is his 2018 WRX. They're doing a nice little like level 2 trunk setup. It's gonna look kind of clean.
Yeah, you guys are getting levels now. It's like you guys in your Subarus and your stages.
Dude, I got an intake and a J-pipe. I'm like stage 2.
Look at the new access port, by the way. Fucking huge.
Yeah, this
makes it into a helicopter.
305 look alive.
This is all gonna come up. Kiss this. These are all gonna be lit. There's in the back to a.
You explain. You don't have enough fun. You're too robotic.
Yo, so what we're gonna do?
Exactly. Like, yo, dude, did right here. Did 305 look alive?
Mr. 305 to you?
Mr. Worldwide. That's Pitbull. We're going on a trip, and our favorite Tony. He always looks angry, but he's not. I promise.
Oh, you spooked me. Me? I'm working on this Corvette. Angelo, take it away. There it is, folks. You're watching the Disney Channel. Oh, 30 years old, bro. My legs just cracked.
Hey, Jim and Sean, do you guys know how to install a carbon fiber splitter for a C606? Not at all. Self-tappers, baby. Sean got a splitter on.
Oh my god.
We're gonna go see what good old Tony's up to.
All of my life.
Wow, string of lights.
Watch, they don't work.
Stop, Jim.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Not bad.
What'd you pinch? Hey, you can't bend those like that.
He was massaging them.
Like, how do you expect me to turn a corner?
You have to figure that out without breaking it.
Please don't touch. Please don't touch.
Can I give her the bump simulator?
Sure.
And that. Oh, here we go. So
got
what
the
we did
base in.
is we beveled this with the router. Wrapped this. Tony wrapped this in leather. We got the acrylic. We sanded it down in the tiers. And then we have the management on a baseboard, all with L brackets. I don't know, probably one of your friends. It's
Our tank.
oh, the tank's here.
The tank's here.
Powder coated tank.
The final step.
Tank's powder coated. Customer picked out the color for powder coat. We got a powder coated for him. Board's wrapped. I actually wrapped that. Look at that. Management is on there, and now they're just working out the last. Tony was banging. Oh, Sean said it. Getting this the lighting done. You guys probably can't hear me at all.
Almost there.
What we're doing here is massaging the plexi.
That's a weird smell.
Come on.
That plexi makes a weird smell when it burns.
Yeah. Do you fart?
Does this smell as weird over
Come
here?
on. Jim, that's not even funny anymore. I just realized you only wear shorts in the front and not the back. What did he if this is how we do it?
The best for last.
You were here until like 12 last night. It smells really weird over here. Those lights have a funny smell.
Jim, I swear to God.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Wah. Now you guys can kind of see it. A little more. Whoa. Whoa.
That came out nice.
Alright, so the customer's coming down now. Angel's going upstairs to grab him. And it's sitting all pretty ready for him. You can open the trunk. They were here until like 12 last night. I had to leave at 7:30 to go feed my dog.
Another late night, early morning. Yeah.
Good to go?
Yeah.
So obviously she's dropped. Check it out before we show you the trunk.
Oh man, boy.
It's right.
Crazy.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
You're tight in there. That's not the fun stuff though. Check out the trunk.
Alright, go ahead. Ooh. That's clean.
On that note, guys, we are going to end today's video. Mike loved the trunk setup. He likes the bags. Who doesn't like bags? But thank you guys for watching. You guys, I'm going to remind you again, if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Turn post notifications on to that little bell. Like this video. Give a comment down below. Say whatever you want. But car's done. We got more bags on the way, and we got to do coilovers on the CRV. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.